And then moving on from Wild Explorers, we then rolled into the next project. So in this case, it was a new tropical house we wanted to build. The project was called Energy for Life. We're taking waste from around the zoo, the animal waste, and we're going to process that, turn it into heat. And then the whole building itself talks about this conundrum of waste and energy. And of course, these are issues which everybody faces at home as well. So there's some relevance and resonance with the visiting public. And this is quite a complicated building. It was an expensive build for us, £7.8 million, a lot of money. And it needed to take into consideration having a lot of animals in a small space and imaginatively having areas or spaces for them so it looked like they were all in together, even they weren't possibly. So a little bit of trickery, theatre, if you like, and making sure that the guests could navigate that space well and use the space to maximum effect, which we've done beautifully. We have a double loop journey going through the building, so we have the footprint twice over, if you like. And there are a few surprises in that building as well for guests in the pathway through it, so that's really exciting. And having to deal with temperature and humidity and biosecurity, so lots of complex issues there. And at the same time, not wanting to build this sort of grand architectural fancy, but actually having something which is relevant and appropriate for us. And we got that. We got this beautifully simple building in many ways. But that's the magic of it. It sits as a modern building adjacent to a Grade 1 building, and they just seem to sing in harmony against one another. So we've had the best of both worlds there. We've had this elegant, simple design, but the execution of it has been absolutely amazing. And the experience, again, working with Terence O'Rourke in terms of that delivery has been excellent. And as someone said to me the other day, it's not often you get guests photographing the actual building, let alone the animals. So we're absolutely delighted with that. And we're still having that building settle in. We've got animals to settle in, we've got plants that need to grow. But the building, in all its quite specific requirements and tolerances, is working like a dream. So we're absolutely thrilled with that.